Hi everybody, this is Cole from Pro Inflatables, and in this video I'm going to show you how to rent one of our inflatables. So, jump right into it. This is our home page. From here you can look at any of our categories: bounce houses, combo bounce houses, wet and dry combos, wet and dry slides, obstacle courses, interactives, generators if you need one, all that stuff, right? And we have some scrolling banners, all that stuff. But how I like to do it when renting is go to one of these categories. It's easy to see, easy to do. I like dry combos in the winter, but a lot of my combos are good for both winter and summer, where you can be wet or dry. I like pirate combo. It's both wet and dry. Maybe I don't know much about it. I want to look at it, see another photo, stuff like that. So I go from here and I go, okay, I like it, and I'm going to add to cart. And from there, it's going to remind me of the price, and it's also going to remind you that all of our pricing here at Pro Inflatables is the same price as it is for one day as it is for the whole weekend. So you can get Pirate Combo for just a Saturday, or you can get it from Friday through Sunday. Have it dropped off on Friday and picked up the following Monday. So you have it all weekend for that same $250 price, and that includes delivery, setup, takedown, all of that. So from there, I go to choose my date, right? And then, okay, so can't book any of these dates, right? And so, okay, maybe I like the 25th through the 27th, have it for that whole weekend, right? Click on that, and from here, you are pretty much ready to go. This is your cart, and you can add more to it. You can continue shopping and add more. You can add a toddler combo for $75 extra, stuff like that. You can delete something from your cart right here, but it gives you all the info that you need as far as pricing and everything like that in your cart. And from here you go to checkout, and then you enter in all your info, and then from there you're good to go. Very, very easy. Another way you can do it, if we start over, is here we go, if my screen will load. Here we go. So we're back to home, right? You could just choose your date. See right here, click on a date, and you can choose a date that you wish, and then you can just pick your inflatable from there. So you pick Thursday. If you want 1 day rental, you can click right here for 1 day rental. And then we'll see I changed my date here because I already had something in my cart. But it would bring me back to my categories, and I could choose something from there. But yeah, and if you have any questions ever when you're renting, you can always call us, and we'll be right here at this number. We are always happy to help. So give us a call whenever, and thank you again for choosing Pro Inflatables.